one of the things that I have just once I really got onto this topic of thinking about models in science and in grant proposals in particular is that most people, and this includes myself, much of the time when I was doing science actively, um, we are lost in the trees. We're lost in the individual data points here. I've got this piece of data, and I've got this technique, or maybe the techniques are the little lines, the paths between the trees, whatever. So techniques are the paths, the data points are the trees, and we're kind of wandering around and studying this tree, and then we're studying that tree, and then we've built a new path between these trees so we can go back and forth rapidly. And awesome. Okay, so I'm studying this tree and this tree. But where's the model in that? I mean, curiosity is awesome. I love curiosity. I am extraordinarily curious to the annoyance of some people around me. But nonetheless, curiosity is not good enough to present an idea to somebody and ask them for $1 million or $2 million or euros of funding. It's not. It's saying, hey, we're curious about this. This is interesting. Well, why is this interesting? How is it relevant? How is it going to change my life? And that's where we have to step. We have to go above the forest and look down and say, oh, we are thinking there is a particular model here of purple and green trees. Hopefully, you can see those colors because there are purple and green trees. And on this particular image, we are proposing this model of how they individuate between purple trees and green trees and the patterning of the trees and the seed distribution and blah, 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 blah. Okay, that would be a model. It's rising above. And again, a lot of us have this inverted because we just all get trained in so much of our training. It's all about the data and especially the new methods, the new latest sequencing method and technique, single cells, hypersonic, super fantastic sequencing, whatever. I mean, it's awesome to have some fancy new techniques, but the fancy new techniques are always in service of the model, and most of us can forget